Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a HoneyBook contact form on your Squarespace page. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on my Squarespace site, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new page, which is going to be specifically for contact, and rather I already have one. So let's see what that looks like since I didn't go through this, template completely. I don't really like it, so I'm just going to delete it. And I'm going to create a new one. So let's just go ahead and create a new one. Click a blank page. I'll name it contact as the old one was. And now we have an empty page. Now, once we're here, we can click on edit and we can add a section. Once we're here, I'll just add a blank section just to have somewhere to put my blocks. Now, once we're here, we can click on add a block and we're going to go ahead and click on embed. Now, this is going to create an embed block, which I'm going to center on the screen. And I'm going to extend it just a bit. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to click here, click on code snippet and click embed data. And this is where we're going to paste our code. Now, if we go to HoneyBook, this is one of my contact form templates. And the way you get to this is you just go into templates, you go into clients, go into contact forms, and it's going to get you right here. And then you're just going to create a new one or just get an existing one. Then you're going to click on publish in the top right corner and click on copy code. Once that's copied, you can go ahead and go back to your Squarespace website, paste it here, and now we have our embed. Now, since Squarespace does not use or activate embedded scripts before you publish your site or while you're logged in and editing the site actively, we need to click preview in safe mode. So we're just going to do that. Then we're going to click save and click on exit. And once we're here, we're going to see our contact form right in the middle of our screen, just as I positioned it. Now, you can go ahead and you can modify this. You can change the size of your embed script, which is exactly what I'm going to do. Make it centered a bit. Then we're going to save and exit it again. And once we exit, as you can see, now we have our contact form in full. Now, it is going to sort of look like this. It's not going to have the same background. That is completely fine if you ask me, but that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.